I have always loved Puran Poli. It reminds me of home, festivals, and my mom's kitchen. But there is a one secret. I was never good at making it. Years ago, I tried making it at my mom's house, but the stuffing kept coming out while rolling. I got so frustrated that I never tried again. Then I moved to the UAE and I started homemade Puran Poli so much. My twin daughters love it too. So I thought, why not give it another chance? You won't believe it. My first 3 or 4 attempts failed again. But I didn't stop. Every mistake taught me something. And finally, I made a soft, perfectly rolled Puran Poli. For kneading dough, take 2 cups of wheat flour, a pinch of turmeric for color, salt, and a little extra water. Don't add oil while kneading the first time. Today, I am making a healthier version using moong dal and brown sugar instead of regular chana dal and jaggery. Let's make it together. Start with 2 cups of moong dal. Wash it well and soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Most people cook the dal directly in the pressure cooker. But my mom always taught me one special tip. First, cook the dal in an open pot and remove the white foam that comes on the top. She believes it makes the dal easier to digest. Yes, it takes a little extra time, but I always follow this step. Add a pinch of turmeric and half teaspoon of salt. Once the foam is removed, add little oil in that. Pressure cook for just one whistle. After it cools down, stain the dal well and remove the excess water. Save the dal water. We will make delicious katachi amti in the next video. Cook the stained dal in the same cooker. Keep stirring continuously to prevent lumps and avoid burning from bottoms. Now add brown sugar on medium heat until the mixture becomes thick and all the moisture evaporates. Add pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness and bring out the flavor. In this method, you don't need a Puran yantra or a grinder. The Puran becomes perfectly smooth while cooking. It's ready to use without any extra grinding. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool slightly. Then add a freshly ground cardamom powder, grated nutmeg, and a little dry ginger powder. Dry ginger powder not only adds wonderful flavor but also helps with digestion. Mix everything well and keep it in the fridge for a while so the filling becomes firm and easy to handle. Meanwhile, let's check our dough. Add a little oil and now knead it again really well until the dough becomes soft, smooth and stretchy. This helps develop the gluten and makes rolling much easier without tearing. Now the fun part begins. Heat your tawa and keep your rolling board and rolling pin ready. Take a small ball of the filling and another ball of dough. Flatten the dough gently with your fingers. keeping the center slightly thicker than the edges. Dust a little flour, place the filling in the center and carefully seal it from all sides. Remove the extra dough from the top. Dust lightly with flour and first spread it gently with your hands. These small tricks makes rolling much easier, especially if you are a beginner. If you feel the puran is still not thick enough, grind some futana into a fine powder and add it little by little while stirring. This will help make the puran thicker. Now use the rolling pin and slowly roll it into a large thin Puran Poli. Place it on the hot tawa. When bubbles start appearing, flip it. Flip it and apply a little oil around the edges. Seeing it puff up on the tawa after so many failed attempts made me so happy. Cook both sides until beautifully golden brown. And that's it. Your homemade healthy Moong Dal Puran Poli is ready. Serve it hot with the katachi amti and a spoon of ghee and enjoy every bite with your family. Trust me, it's worth every bit of the effort.